Hello everyone, today we're making a granny square headscarf and I show you how to make these beautiful stitches for this item that you can tie it around your head, and also I show you how to make this border for it. I made it in rainbow colors. If you want, you can make it by one color, and if you want, you can make it as big as you want and use it as a sharp. And also, you can join this triangle pattern with this granny square. The space between the clusters of double crochet and the corner space are the same, and you can join them together and make many crafts. I taught you before. You can find the tutorial in my channel, and I placed the link for you on the top of the screen. Let's get started. I'm using the cotton yarn in rainbow colors, and the weight of the yarn is 2, and I'm also using a 2.5 millimeter in always, but today I'm gonna use 3 millimeter crochet hook for this. If you want it to be more drippy, you can use a thinner yarn or a larger hook. Okay, for a start, make a slip knot on the hook and then make 5 chains, and then join with the slip stitch to the first chain. Also, you can start with magic ring if you want, and then make 5 chains as a 1 treble crochet and 1 chain, and then in the circle here we must make our stitches. Bring your tail of the yarn between your stitches and crochet over it. Okay, make a double crochet like this, make 3 double crochet into the circle, the second double crochet and third. If you don't know how to make a double crochet, you can find the tutorial of it in my beginners playlist. Then make 2 chains and 3 more double crochet into the circle, and then make 1 chain and 1 treble crochet into the circle. Here, this is our first row. Then make 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is as a 1 treble crochet and 1 chain. Then turn around and into the chain 1 space here, make 3 double crochet. One chain and go to the 2 chain space here and make 3 double crochet, 2 chains, and again 3 double crochet into the same space here. Then make 1 chain, go to the last chain 1 space and make 3 double crochet in there. 1, 2 and 3, chain 1 and make 1 treble crochet in the 4th chain of the first here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Don't complete your treble crochet, must join our next color. If you are working with one color, you don't have to do this. Just keep go along by the diagram. After that, we joined our new color, make 5 chains, and then make a little tie with the tail of the yarns. First of all, cut the tail of the yarn and then tie them very tight. Okay. Turn back and into the chain 1 space, make 3 double crochet and 1 chain. Into the each chain 1 spaces of the each side of our square, we must make 3 double crochet and 1 chain. Okay, this is 1 chain, and into the chain 2 space on the top of the triangle, we must make 3 double crochet, 2 chains and 3 double crochet. We must repeat this diagram until the end of our work, until the time we received the sizes of the headscarf that we want to it be. I changed the color of the yarns in each 2 rows, and okay, the last stitch, make a treble stitch into the 4th chain here. If you want, you can change the color of the yarns in each rows. Then make 5 chains. Again, repeat the diagram. In the chain 1 spaces, make 3 double crochet, 1 chain. And in the 2 chain space of the top of the triangle, make 3 double crochet, 2 chains and 3 double crochet. I'll do it until the end. In the top of the triangle, make 3 double crochet, 2 chains and 3 double crochet. Okay. The last space. After that, I make 3 double crochet, 1 chain, make a treble crochet into the 4th chain space, into 4th chain here. I'll join my next color and repeat this diagram until I receive the size of my headscarf that I want it to be. Don't forget that you must hide the tail of the yarns, that you cut it in each round between the stitches. After that, you receive the length of the scarf you want. I'm gonna continue this pattern until I reach the size I want. The rise is 23 to 25 centimeter, and the length is must be 52 centimeter. Okay, I received the size that I want. Let me show you. The length of the triangle is 54 and the rise of the square in the middle of it is 24. You can make it as big as you want, the smaller or the bigger. After that, you receive the size that you want. You must make a edge of the bandana, make one chain and make 3 single crochet into the each space that we have by the 4 chains and the treble crochet that we made in the first of the each rows, first and the end of the each rows. Okay, then make 3 single crochet into the each space of them. You don't have to make any stitches in the stitches between the rows. Just make 3 single crochet into the each space. Also, you can make 4 single crochet if you want. Do this until the end. Just making 3 single crochet like this. I'll do it to here. Okay, when you receive the end, join with the single crochet to the 4th chain and then make your chains for the loop of your scarf. I make 19 single crochet because I want to my loop length 47 centimeters. Okay, we always work on here, but now we are working to the 3rd loop here. Look, these loops in the back of the chains that we made. I want to work in them and make a single crochet into the each 3rd loop that I have. You can make it as always, but this way is a little different. That is the 2 sides of our work is just like each other. This until the end, and in the end make a single crochet into the chain space here and make 7 double crochet into the next chain space. This is the border of the 2 sides of our square. Then make 7 double crochet into the 1 chain space and make 1 single crochet into the next chain space. Again, 7 double crochet into the next chain space, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, and make 1 single crochet into the next chain space. Do this until you receive the top of the triangle here. When you receive here, you must make a if you are working just like me and make a shells before the top of the square, you must make 1 single crochet in top of the square in the 2 chain space and make a picot in there. Again, make a 7 double crochet into the next chain space. Okay, but if you don't have the space like me, and in the top of the square you must make a shallow stitches. Just make 9 double crochet in the top of the triangle, and then make a 1 single crochet into the next stitch. Okay, look, I have 2 shell stitch in the 2 side of my top of the triangle here. Then I make 1 single crochet and 1 picot in my 2 chain space. Okay, do this pattern until the end. 7 double crochet in the chain space, 1 single crochet into the next chain space. Okay, I'll do this until the end. In the end, after that, I'll make a 1 single crochet again for the loop. I'll make 19 chains, and then work on the back loop in the third loop, sorry, and make a single crochet into the each next third loop that I have. And after that, join with the slip stitch to the first stitch, cut the yarn and fasten off and hide the tail of my yarn in between the stitches. And you can do this like me, or you can hide the tail of the yarn in any way you like, and then cut the tail of the yarn. Done. This is my headscarf. This is the rope of it, and this is the border of it. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please leave like and comment below, and please do subscribe. Thanks for watching. Happy crocheting. Love you all. See you next time. Bye.